The future of color control has arrived. The Sekonic Spectrometer C-800 offers ultra-precise color measuring performance designed specifically for cinematographers and photographers. This meter will have more color rendering modes than any meter on the market, with the inclusion of SSI and new methods of matching RGB LEDs to any existing light source. The C-800 will be the first meter on the market to include SSI, the Spectral Similarity Index. This is technology developed by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, Science and Technology Council. With so many different light sources, knowing how they will render color and work together can be a question. The C-800 is the answer. It has CRI, TLCI, TLMF, TM-30-15, and the revolutionary SSI. Why is the C-800 and SSI so revolutionary? SSI looks at how spectrally similar two lights are. Have you ever had two lights with the same color temperature or similar CRI that look radically different? SSI solves for this by giving your lights a score based upon a standard illuminant, or it lets you choose the primary source to compare your other lights to. Now mix light sources with increased confidence that your colorist won't need to spend extra hours correcting what can be done in production. There are times in which our location may contain fluorescent, sodium vapor, and consumer LEDs. These can be difficult to match. The C-800 gives you the ability to measure any of those light sources and recommends the filters to get the best correction. It also lets you dial in RGB LEDs with XY chromaticity coordinates and hue saturation readouts. You can measure any light source, then easily dial in the XY coordinate or measure a light as you adjust its hue angle. The C-800 also has Lee and Roscoe gels built in for color correction of lights, and Kodak Raton, Lee, and Fuji filters built in for camera correction. The C-800 is designed to be used on set. Easily accessible buttons for quick operation, built-in dark slide for dark calibration on set, and to eliminate accidentally changing settings, simply hold the menu button down for a few seconds and you can lock the touchscreen while the measuring and memory buttons remain active. The head swivels 270 degrees to measure a light and keep the screen in view. And you can now store and recall up to 99 measurements and move them back and forth between your meter and computer. The C-800 has been engineered to be exact and designed to be the ideal meter to use on set.